So I focus on kind of baseline stuff, but also using like a lot of community source data to just kind of establish what we can find out about these populations and like how many there are, their critical habitats, what threats they're facing, and stuff like that. So my master's thesis is entirely based on community source data. This is derived from the tour industry. So, you know, you have guides going out there every single night and they dive with the same animals. They're extremely knowledgeable. They're great like field sources. And so they provide sightings data on which specific animals they see, because you can identify mantas by unique spot patterns, and you get the same individuals going back there. So they're super recognizable. And so the dive community gives me all of this really valuable sightings data, in which I've been able to do so much with, and there's so much more that could be done. So this is where I think the community plays a really important key, and it's a great collaboration with the public and scientists, and it really helps give the public like a motivating factor, because they're going out and they're collecting data that's being used for science and research. So they start to care a lot more about these animals and about protecting the ecosystem and environment. We actually have a manta here who's someone named as Keikoa. He's a juvenile, really young male who is missing a cephalic fin and is documented to have 3 different fishing line entanglements. But he's super resilient, and they wanted to name him Keikoa, which in Hawaiian language can be translated to the warrior, just because he has endured so much. But he's still out living his life, so I feel like in terms of resilience, that's kind of what they have shown me, is that a lot of them have seemed to battle, you know, big threats, and especially like on multiple occasions too, but they heal and they keep swimming forward.